Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. My name is Alya Faddhilah from SMPN to GARAWANGI. Welcome the first news today. COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 2019 is an infectious disease caused by a new virus called SARS-CoV-2. This disease first identified in Wuhan, China in the end of 2019. The virus widely spread over many countries and then in March 2020, WHO declared COVID-19 a pandemic.
We continue to urge countries to find, isolate, test, and treat all cases and trace every contact to ensure these declining trends continue. But the pandemic is far from over. I repeat, the pandemic is far from over. Second wave, as Mike said, is in our hands. If we implement the right intervention, we can prevent it from happening. But when we do this, not just the national interventions, having the regional and also coherence in the global interventions and global solidarity is very important.
This disease attacks respiratory system. COVID-19 also makes people who get infected experience several symptoms. The common symptoms are fever, dry cough, and tiredness. Some also experience itches, sore throat, diarrhea, conjunctivitis, headache, and loss of taste or smell. Meanwhile, the serious symptoms are shortness of breath, chest pain, and loss of speech. However, there are many who do not experience symptoms. It takes about 5 to 6 days to the symptoms to show. However, the incubation period takes 14 days. People who have mild to moderate illness usually can recover without hospitalization. Meanwhile, those who experience serious symptoms have to seek medical attention. Virus spread through the droplets when infected people sneeze or cough. Therefore, WHO gives the way to prevent infection, such as washing hands regularly with soap and water, avoiding touching face, covering mouth and nose while sneezing or coughing, staying at home, refraining from smoking, and practicing physical distancing. Saya Faddhilah and all crew say thank you for watching. See you next time and bye bye.